Hi guys, sorry for the really awful bad lighting, but sorry. Today I'm going to be doing this squishy collection. This is my first video. I don't expect subscribers, which I won't get. I don't expect likes, which I won't get. But I would expect these. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, let's go. So I keep my squishies in this little bin. Which stinks. Smells like socks from a graveyard. Anyway, so the first squishy I have is, oh my gosh, you know what? Okay. The first squishy I have is this pink Rilakkuma bowl pickle. This cake, I guess. This magenta tortoise that I made packaging for. I wanted it to say tortoise, but it didn't have space. It only had space for turtle. Then I have this white bun. I have this banana from Walgreens. I have this water squishy actually. It's a Deadpool guy. This video is gonna take like several years. So that's my sisters. Oh. Then I have this. I honestly don't know what this is called. I swear, if only this quality was perfect, this video would be pretty good. Then I have this pink ice cream. It's pretty squishy. It's really sticky. I have this blue donut with chocolate drizzle. It's pretty thick, actually. I have this Cinnabon. This cupcake. Chocolate heart. And then when I turn it around, it's like this really pretty magenta. Sorry, my nails are ugly right now. Oh, sorry. Then I have this pink panda or bear. This basketball from Walgreens. This soft serve ice cream. This skull from Walgreens. This is the thingy. I have this burger. This baguette. This ice cream. Soft serve ice cream. This other soft serve ice cream. This is the packaging I made for it. Came out, yeah. I have this croissant. Sorry for rushing. I really have to clean my room, but then I have this hypnotized Kawaii toast. It's really squishy. I have this donut, cream donut. I have this toast. I have this pink panda. Glue actually got on it. Yeah. I have this Squish Delish raspberry. This mini panda bun with the red bow. This Squish Delish sandwich. This other tortoise, yellow one actually. This Kawaii cat. This football crush ball. I tore apart the packaging. It used to say it had football in it. Yeah. And then I have this French fries from Walgreens. Yeah. Sorry for the background. I have this mini strawberry. And I have this donut. Other donut's pretty thick. with chocolate drizzle. Really squishy. And then I have these mochi kind squishies where they're not really foam, they're squeezies. And I keep them in here. So yeah, that's my squishy collection. Hope you guys enjoyed. At the end of every video, people say like, subscribe, and stuff. Well, you can subscribe. I'm pretty sure this will never happen, but don't get my hopes up too quick. Which, yeah. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and maybe next time I'll make a video. I don't know. Just if you guys see this video, can you comment down below if you want more videos? I don't know. Oh gosh, I'm not used to making videos. I'm so sorry. I talked too much. Bye.